Welcome back, Primus. We are so excited that you're going to be returning in just a few weeks to school for our hybrid learning model. Today, we're going to talk about Chromebook safety. All right, so these are some of our rules that we've gone over in the past. We're only going to go to approved apps and websites that are from our teacher. That one's very important and has been consistent, making sure that we are making appropriate choices online. Also, remember that our Chromebook needs to be carried with two hands at all times. Two hands on the Chromebook when you're carrying it. It should also be closed when you're carrying it. Remember to have clean hands when you are using your Chromebook. So I know a lot of us at home were maybe having some snacks around our Chromebooks and things. It's very important, especially now that we're going to be back into the building, that you have clean hands while using your Chromebook. We don't want any crumbs or anything to get into the keyboard or the keys to get sticky if you have dirty hands. So please make sure that your hands are always clean when using them. Also, it's important that you're not going to walk around the room with your Chromebook while it's open. If you're walking it, it needs to be closed. Remember, we do not leave our Chromebook on the floor, and that you're going to treat the Chromebook with respect. So making sure that you aren't putting it down too hard on the table, or that when it's in your book bag, you're not swinging it around or hitting it or banging into things. Please always treat our Chromebooks with respect. We have to make sure that they're working because we need them for when we're at home and when we're at school. And this one's super important. So just like in the library last year, whenever we were finished with a Chromebook, we always plugged it in. We're not going to have that option available to us a lot here at school with the chargers. So it's going to be your responsibility. One of the ways that you're going to be showing those 3 B's at school: safe, respectful, and responsible. You're going to be showing respect and responsibility by making sure that your Chromebook is charged before you come to school. So I suggest just kind of throwing it on the charger after you get home from school. That way, and maybe overnight while you're sleeping. That way, it'll be ready to go during the day while you're here. Again, we will not have access to many chargers. We can't all be plugging our computers in. So you need to make sure your Chromebook is charged before coming to school. That being said, I made just a very short little video to demonstrate how we need to have our Chromebooks when we're coming to and from school. So here's Miss Warlow. I have my backpack. I'm putting my Chromebook inside my backpack, zipping it up and putting it on my shoulder and leaving the classroom. I'm wearing my mask. I'm making safe choices. That's what we need to make sure we're doing with our Chromebooks while we are transferring them to and from school. They stay in your backpack at all times. They don't come out on the bus. They don't go out on the playground. If you are going to a child care center, to a daycare, then you take it out when it's time for you to do your asynchronous work. But other than that, it needs to stay in your book bag so it is safe and ready to use. I look forward to seeing everybody in the building so soon. So have a great day.